Hynniewtrep Youth Council President Roykupar Synrem on Thursday appeared before Lumdiengjri police station for questioning in connection with a suo motu FIR registered against him over an alleged provocative speech delivered earlier this month. Police sources stated that the case is linked to a meeting organized by the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations or COMSO held on the 11th of March 2026 at Motpran, where organizations had gathered to express solidarity with the Garo community amid protests against non-tribal participation in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. According to officials, portions of Synrem's speech, which circulated widely on social media, allegedly contained remarks that could incite communal disharmony and disrupt public peace. The FIR filed by a police official referred to statements indicating readiness to, quote, fight alongside, unquote, the Garo community and references to carrying weapons which were considered potentially provocative. A case has been registered under relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code related to promoting enmity and communal disharmony, police added. Meanwhile, speaking to reporters, Roykupar Synrem clarified that his remarks had been taken out of context and misinterpreted. He maintained that his statements were intended to express solidarity with the Garo people and to defend indigenous rights and not to incite violence. He also expressed concern over what he described as the selective circulation of parts of his speech on social media. Further, Synrem urged upon authorities to uphold the principle of equality before the law under Article 14 of the Constitution of India, stating that legal action should be applied uniformly. He also called on the police to act against individuals allegedly making derogatory remarks against indigenous communities.
Khot hajar menda kasingi gede halor ka FIR ya kaba ka nakaliang jong Lumdiengjri police station kala yok diang ka Sautrik jong mentau benai habai dei begitu ka jingyalang ka ba komsu ka khot ka khatwei trik uniu benai mentau benai hapo Motpran kat kum ka jing keno bat ka jing tho ka FIR kalong ba kadon ka jing pensapriang hapo social media ya kitu ki kentin ki ba nakaliang ka jong ngalah keren tu kasingi kawei gede ka ba ong yok ka kentin ka ba lesi nakaliang ka jong ki sim kumbang penia perniam hang ni hapo ka jala bat hari India ibro kawei bat ka baar ka jing keno kalong bang ong ru itu ki kentin ba lada ki para riulum ki jongi ki garu ki don kam yang ngi kum Hynniewtrep wangin ya don lang ringkat bat ki ngiru ngin ya don hasenda jongki ngakren ni kita kentin ka bang ong bangin ra ikitiar kitar kum ta terter ti ka jing keno aka FIR ya ka bala le sumu tu he do pulit le bala file do unu breu le hida ka police department ka bala shim sumu tu ya kani kam ban ong bagitu ki kentin ki jongal sikin wanra ya ka jing perniam bat kin wanra ya ka kin pentut ya ka syongsuk syongsan hakani ka jala berkumju ru ha hari India hi borokoi namar baya ka tu ka jingkren ka jonga ka bakren tu ka snila sekulit la ne la pen sapriang hakeleng jong ka India wat syabahar kumju ka bala ban kata ya ka syongsuk syongsan ti menta ka sngi la syakot ang ni po police station ban ai statement nakaliang jong IU bedipet ya kani rekam ula awan mensim ka statement ban nakaliang jong ang la de ban ai ya kala ka jong ka jing pensyai ba kumnu bat kai ka jingkren ka jonga ban ngala ong ru ba ka jingkren de ban sim ya ka baro koi ka jingkren de ban sim tangi itu manu ba pen sapriang ka jingkren po social media ya kata ngam tep bat habai de pat bat ka bat ka jingong bangingin ya rakyar lanengin ya don hasenda jongki garu lada ki don kam ngi ya cibenang lan ya tura lan ya ngung nuru ya kata ngong hooj ngong ya kata namar bakum ki trai muluk ngi long mangi ki trai balada ki garu ki don kam ngi ki don kam garu ngin ya don lang hasenda ka jongki reben ong ban banga penshot laneng organize kanu ka program ka ban ya rakyar tar lan man ra ki tiar pemensal kam don ka bakum kata ti kita ki jing pensya ya kaba nlaai na kaliang ka jonga khmat joku IU mentas
di section
ka section ka ditang kawai 196 na nishes pa kanday penriu po bracket kawai kabay day bat ka jing penshit lane ka jing wanra ya ka jing bom syongsuk syongsan ha padeng arteliki kenhun la kalong kaniam la kalong ya ka jat penriu po kum ta